Sunday morning, heading back to the ferry because your boy Dan forgot his drone in Ryan's car. Ryan's a super sweet guy. And he's gonna take the ferry from Bremerton, which is about an hour, and drop off the drone with me. And he has to take an hour back. So he's literally wasting 2 hours this morning just to bring me my drone because I suck. All right, so we just made it back to the ferry. There he is. Bro.
Good morning. I was like, no, he's full of shit. Like, check your bags. You know, like.
He's lifesaver, man. I was like, I'm gonna have to take care, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, dude, of course.
I guess one negative thing about this DJI Mavic Pro, it's small enough to forget it somewhere. I'm heading back to Kylie. He's in his car waiting for me. We're gonna go get coffee, and then I am off to the train station. 8:30. Trying to get some coffee before this trip. They're not open till 9, so we have half an hour to kill. Amtrak train station is about 4 blocks that way, and then we're off to the races. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Gotta finish this coffee. All day coffee, all day. All right, dude. Thanks, man. See you, dude.
You going to one to Emeryville?
Yes.
And then later next time you'll get on Emeryville to Los Angeles, right?
Yep.
Okay, one to Emeryville. Okay, seat number 26, car number 13, and let's try heading inside, okay?
All right, perfect, thank you.
Remain seated and they'll come and stand in your picture.
All right, thank you. Just got on the train in Seattle, the Coast Starlight, 11 Coast Starlight. We are heading to Emeryville, which is like San Francisco-ish area, and gonna get a rental car there, but we have a 23-hour train ride to get there. So, I'm gonna spend the next few hours editing yesterday's vlog from Olympic National Park, and yeah. Have about like a 3 or 4 minute stop in Portland. So I'm gonna hop off the train and do some exploring. Maybe get some food. I'm starving. The challenging part right now is that there's no food within decent walking range that will come quickly. So, and fly this drone up, capture some aerials, and just hope I get something cool. I have about 10 minutes. Thus concludes our stop in Portland, Oregon. Got my water, flew my drone. Is this, do you know where I could find cart 13? 3 doors down? Okay, great. 3 doors down, what a band. I got in on the wrong car. My cart's up here.